There are details capable of illuminating entire projects. Light Now, the new BTicino solution for me and for you. A minimal and flat design for timeless elegance that enhances every space it is installed in. Equipped with advanced smart home automation solutions with the attention that the environment deserves. Because sustainability is never a detail.
It's flexible and has all the modularities and standards required for the project.
9 finishes, 3 collections, each with a unique story. Circular is about giving new life to waste. From pure white to 2 new eco-friendly finishes derived from viscose, from fast fashion,
and mica from construction waste.
Stone is inspired by nature. Sand and stone, with a material effect that becomes a tactile sensation. It is made with water-based paints derived from the fermentation of biomass. Patina celebrates imperfection, creating a deliberately non-uniform effect. One interface for multiple technologies and a unique design to satisfy all the needs of your projects. Light Now can be used in traditional systems, including new features. Furthermore, you can add smart functions connected to Wi-Fi to control your device. Modifying scenarios with a single touch. Or with your voice. Alexa, turn on all the lights. Explore the infinite possibilities with My Home, the premium home automation system. Experience the new level of multifunction control and add a touch of innovation to your home. If required by the project, the KNX standard can also be used. Light Now is the premium accessible solution that combines sustainability, design and technology to light up your world. Now. Light Now by BTicino.